Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I have again a word for you from the Lord, as with our prayer earlier this day. The Lord said, blessings for you this year 2025. I remember the Lord's promise in Genesis 12:2 that He will bless us so that we will be a blessing to others too. Upon contemplating on this message, I am reminded with the sacrifice I have encountered. Oh, the struggle, the testing, the hardship, in order to get hold on to the blessings which the Lord had promised. And yes, the right time really will come. When the time is ripe, it will come to pass. Brothers and sisters, if this word resonates you, then bring this in prayer to God. The Lord is not only speaking to one person, but to you as well. Yes, you. You and you. Believe it, and it shall be given unto you. Praise God. God bless.